So hello students, today we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So how can you do add or subtraction of algebraic expressions? We will just understand this concept because it's very important for any type of algebra. So before entering in this, what we will do, we will just try to understand which type of expressions we can see while we are subtracting and adding. So if you see, there are two type of expression we generally see, like terms and unlike terms, because each expression is made up of like or unlike terms, or maybe sometimes there is only one term. So if there are more than one terms, then we can say that it is divided into like or unlike terms. So what is like term and what is unlike term? Like terms are, I'm writing here, algebraic expressions contains algebraic expression, or we can say that that is more better the term, because we are talking about the term containing variables and their powers same. Terms containing variables and their powers same, and if it is not like this, then terms containing variables or their powers different. And I will tell you what do you mean by this. Suppose you are having 2x square y and plus 3xy. You can see here we are using x and y, yes, but the problem is in this particular first term, if you see this first term, this is containing x raised to the power 2, but it is containing x raised to the power 1. It means there are 2x and there is only 1x. There is y is same, but because of this, the whole term cannot related to this. It means both are unlike. So you have to be very specific, and yes, one thing is also there, we will not see the constant part. We will check only the variables and their powers. We will check whether the variables and their powers are same or not. If it is not, then we can directly say that they are unlike terms. This is the first thing to understand the difference. Now, what is related to with this one? The concept behind it, only like terms, only like terms can be added or subtracted. This one, on this particular point, you have to be very, very careful, because sometimes students do the mistake here. Suppose I am saying that 2x plus 3y, what is the value of this? You can see it is x and it is y. They both are, though, belong to a different family. Family, I am saying this is x family, this is y family. This is x square y family, this is xy family. So it means families are totally different. So it means they cannot be added. So sometimes the student write like this and it is wrong. Sometimes student write like this, 2 3 is 6 xy. It is also wrong, because if they both are belong to a different family, so how can you join it with the help of other operations? So addition cannot be done. The answer will be same only, 2x plus 3y. Further we can't do anything. This is the first thing, right? So in this particular topic, we will discuss and we will see some example, so that you will be able to understand like how we can add or subtract the algebraic expressions, right? So I am taking some examples, and please see how I am doing. So you will see the first example. If you see, there are four terms. Firstly, always see the number of terms and see each term carefully. This is 21b, it contains b variable. This is 32, it's constant. It is 7b, again it contains b variable. It contains b variable, only bb variable. It means these three terms R belong to B family, right? I'm calling the with the help of variable, right? Family name I am calling with the help of variable. It's a B family. So it means this family can be added or subtracted easily. So what I will do, I will write all the terms together with same sign. Sign will not change. This is called commutative property. If you exchange the position, then there is no effect on value. This we know. Now what you have to do, whenever you will keep all the like terms together, I am telling you one very easy part. Forget this B for a while. Forget it. Means suppose you are saying there is no B, for example. So how will you add? So if you see they both are in plus, so what you will write here? 28, right? And minus 20, correct? So what is the answer here? If I say, I will write here 8 and minus 32. But if, and now you can see it means there is no role of this B. There is no role of this B while you are adding or subtracting. This is only helping you to decide whether these terms can be added or not. It means this is just for checking that it is a like term or unlike term. That's it. Otherwise, your addition or subtraction will be done with the numerical part, which you have done in earlier classes also. Right? So I think, and after this you can see both are unlike, and it means you can like your, leave your answer 8b minus 30. That's it. Now I am coming to the next one. If you see this one, this question, okay, now you can see it's a z square family. It is also z square family, but there are two which related to z square. It is z family, it is z cube family, and it is z family. So what I will do, first of all, we will write all the families together. You can see here they both are together here, but this z family, one z is here, and we can write this one, and z cube is only a single element, so it means there is no like terms for this z cube, so we will not touch it. Now you can see what I have told you. It is, you can put here, if there is no number, so you can put here 1, and I have told you whenever you have made the family members together, so what you have to do, you have to see the numerical part. This is plus 13 and minus 1. Plus 13 and minus, forget this z square for a while. Again, 13 minus 1, 12 and z square. Now both are in minus. So minus 5, minus 15, minus 20 and z family. Right? Plus 7z cube. Okay, some students sometimes get confused, like, sir, why you are doing this one, why we are not subtracting z or these things. Suppose I am taking one example. Suppose there is a 5 dog and minus 3 dog. So what you will do, definitely there is a 2 dog. It means dog is what? Dog is actually telling you we are subtracting dog from dog. If suppose I am saying there is a 5 dog and minus 2 cat, so what you will do here? Can you get the result? It's not possible, because it's a dog family, it's a cat family, so result will not be, result will be this one only. So if the families are same, then only we can subtract, and the result will be related to the family only, means dog family. We cannot change the family here after adding or subtraction, right? So this is very important part, students. While you are doing calculations, always try to keep all the like terms together with their signs and then add or subtract, right? So I am taking one more example, third and fourth I am taking of this exercise. Kindly see this one. Now in third part you can see there is a bracket also, and in second fourth part also there is a one bracket. So whenever you are having bracket, first of all we have to open the bracket so that we can see the term separately. So now in this case, if you see there is a minus out of this bracket, what the minus works? Minus will change the sign inside each term. So it is plus, so it means it will be minus. It is minus, it will be plus, because minus becomes plus. Now it will be q, and again there is a change in sign, minus q and plus p. Now you have you can see here like each term is separate. So what you will do, it is plus, so it is very easy here. You can see this p and this p can be cancelled because one is plus and one is minus. P is having same value. This you can see this one is this one cancelled. So what is left? This plus q and minus, plus p and minus q. So both are unlike. It means this is the answer. Now next is what? This is 3a minus 2b. First of all, I am opening the bracket. So it will be minus a, it will be plus b, minus ab, 3ab plus b minus a. Right. So what I will do? First of all, I will check the A family. A family is here. This is AB family, not A family. This is A family again, and this is A family. So what I will do, 3A, this minus A and that minus A. I am putting here. Now B family, minus 2B. This is B family, and this is B family. Now AB family, AB family, AB family, and AB family. I think all families are covered. So can you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 terms are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means all terms have been noted down. Now you can see 3. This is 1, 3, 1. 3 minus 1 minus 1. 3 minus 1 2. 2 minus 1 1. So 1a. Okay, minus 2b, and this is plus 1. So plus 1 plus 1 2b. So in 2 minus 2b, it will be 2b. And you can see this one minus 1ab minus 1ab, minus 1 is minus 2, and ab's will be here because we never see the variable part, or we never do anything with variable part. So this is 1a, this is minus 2 and plus 2, I think cancel, and this you can see there minus 2 plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1ab, and there is no need to write 1. So you can leave your answer like this. So A and AB, you can see they are unlike terms. So I hope this particular part is clear to you. So do more practice for the other sums, right? And thank you so much for watching this video.